All right. So, usually on my Friday videos, I call this pure tingles. It's where I just do tingles. Usually you don't see me, I don't talk a lot. I tap a lot in them. Got me some new friction arms. But anyways, I was driving home from Monterey. Clicked on this nice little jazz station. The guy was real kicked back, real mellow. And I thought, I'd love to do something like that. I remember back when I was in college, I used to listen to this jazz station. It was called KEWL, Cool. The cool spot. Great jazz. Was always late at night. The guy was real laid back, real calm. And I started thinking, why couldn't I do something like that here? But instead, be laid back and calm. Instead of announcing music, announce triggers. Set it all up, ID the station and everything. Just like a radio station. Actually turn it into a sleep-worthy radio station. And I thought, what would I need to do that? Well, I need a radio. I need a studio. Check. Heater just came on, still cold around there. Then I thought I would need a broadcast quality microphone. Now, broadcast quality microphone is going to be good, but it's not going to have the brightness here. It won't have the binaural. But my voice will be much smoother. So I need a broadcast quality microphone, something they use in a radio station. Something kind of like that. A little bit like, let's hear how it sounds. Testing. Now, as you notice, it really smooths my voice out a lot. Really smooths it out. Just like a radio station. Checking my audio levels. Now, smooth this in a little better. We could have a lot of fun with this. I would want to turn this into just like a radio station. There's just a magnitude of stuff we could do that would be super entertaining, and I don't know why I'm saying super. My granddaughter says super, that's why. But like, I could introduce a trigger. Let's say, I'm going to do some ear string. Some ear cleaning like triggers. We're going to go with sit back, relax. This is KEWL, the cool spot on your dial. We're going to smoothly go into some ear cleaning triggers. Sit back and enjoy. Now I would just not drift off, but I would just do something else. I would shut this mic down. Let these triggers play out. I could even keep it on. Like you hear it over here. Now it's over here. What this actually is a camera going down a chemical pipe. Really slow. Super slow. And all I gotta do is just stay mellow. Does this mic sound mellow to you? Pretty mellow? Mellow, mellow, mellow. The only thing is that I lose the binaural with my voice. Like you hear here, the triggers will still be binaural because I'll record the triggers binaural. This will be your visual, what you're seeing right here. Just like if you were watching a radio station. If, my mom always said I had a face for radio. Here we go. Then I can do some different triggers too. When I go out and I do field recording or I get sound effects, some of those would be really good for ASMR. But I like to keep it kind of real. So I could work on these because there doesn't need to be any visual. Because the visual would be here. I would explain to you what I'm doing or what you're hearing. Water turning. Then you can just kick back on the couch or in bed and drift off. You don't have to watch. You don't have to watch the visuals. If you want to, there's a visual of me. But it would all be aimed towards non-visual triggers. The other thing is, I can invite other ASMR artists to participate. For instance, I could record a 5-minute part of what they're doing. We could do a monthly top 10. I could have you guys pick out who you want to. I would contact the artist, of course, and ask for permission. Use 5 minutes of their audio. Put a card up here. So if you want to go check them out, some of my favorites too, my artists' favorite artists too. If you want to check it, or if I want to talk about a certain video somebody did, I can put a card up here. Let you hear it a little bit. If you want to go check them out, you can go check them out. You'll come back because it's like a radio show. There's just a ton of stuff we could do with this. Let me know how this mic sounds. Just a ton. I could even do, what if we did a ASMR interview with another ASMR artist? Like whispering or low voice. And I did it like this. I can even take phone calls. Eventually I can let you guys call me on the phone. If this, I might be thinking I'm too much into this, but if something like this worked out, I could do that. Just so many things. So many things that can be done. KEWL, the cool spot on your dial. We're locked in. You're listening to Cool. So what do you think? You hear that? Now, we're going to go into another. We're going to go into some mic brushing, so kick back, relax. Let's listen to some mic brushing. Here we go. course, I would be here doing radio station stuff, checking stuff, drinking a beer, moving stuff around. I like this video. This is a trigger I did, oh geez, 3 years ago. I still listen to this. That's right, I get high on my own supply. Yeah, that's good. Gets like right up in the ears. Boom. Gets like right on the back of your ear. Just starts right there. Yep. Now it's burrowing in. There it goes. So, this is my radio station idea. Let me know how this sounds. Let me know how my voice is. Let me know what you think. I'm going to give this a try for the next couple weeks. Drop by and check it out. Let me know what you think. This is KEWL. You have a good night.